vô mặt tao coi.
Ê, nó chạy kìa.
Yếu nó chạy, tao nói nó chạy. Quay vô mặt tao ơi. Quay vô mặt mày xong rồi.
Tao quay cái này chứ tao quay mặt tao chi.
Quay mặt tao. Anh em, mình ăn hết cái số chuột này luôn nha. Nha, mình làm hết luôn á.
Tôi ăn con nè. Tôi làm con nữa nè nhau.
Right, me see rat I go somewhere but me don't know where rat I go. I'm gonna see rat come back now.
Bỏ vô trước rồi.
Ướt nhiều á, ướt nhiều á. Quay đàng hoàng nha.
Còn nhúng nước mắm mày, đụng nước mắm, mày quấy mặt tao chơi.
I don't know what kind of joke them could have run
Mày
now.
cứ theo nè. Đúng nè.
And I'm a China lad.
Bà
No,
nó
them
mẹ
Japan.
ơi.
God forgive them. Don't forgive
Bỏ
them,
mấy chục đấy
God.
thôi, lỡ mấy chục này
You know
nha.
that the man take about 3 just now.
Mấy chục cái lông sao ăn má. Hai cái món này hơi đắng à.
I saw supposed to have one picture at the marriage. Oh God. I seen this, you know. And this why we don't have coronavirus.
Yes, that's a comfort. That's unreal.
Friggin' idiot. What, chicken not enough? You know, like a dog I say, yo brother, wait a turn.
My fight over here. The fuck say I like you know that I know cooking.
You talk about cook. And breed them up. People, this is sin. This is against what God wants. They can't talk dog. And this I wanna. This is one country we never go visit. No matter what. Well, I'm probably go visit China, but I'm not gonna eat their food. I buy KFC and bring in them suitcase. I want me up. Sorry for your racist comment, but yeah, but me not care. Racism, I can do whatever. I una nyam rat and away. You can name fruits, got to go with leaf and sitting. I understand you have predator when you am rat, but we not be the type of predator. We can't choose. We can actually pick and choose. We have to eat. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video because it passed overdue. I'm just give my reaction over it. Anybody who do this in any world deserve to get hung and then deserve to get put from society. We can't continue for like we can't do them something now. Nobody talk racist stuff. Like I'm free to speak anything I want to say. China can block me if they want. But me free to speak because yeah, people are speaking, they just speaking much more nicer. I don't care. That's disgusting. But anyways guys, if this creep them are ear voice can you chat with a big loud mouth. But if this video creep you out and you want to see more reaction, my kind of reason me just calm or cause me traumatized. So you know what, when nastiest part when the man start chopping rat. And I even like saying swallow it.
My father got it, I cracked my cup of him. And my mother reaction is should I try again.
Anyways guys,
fat people laugh like funny.
so I'm gonna try to get this reaction most on some other video. No, not necessarily Chinese, but I'll try some other culture. I'll get like 3 other people to get reaction. So you guys remember to like button, subscribe, comment. You don't know, follow me on Instagram or Snapchat. You don't know. If I make you laugh, just remember to touch the like button and get money. And remember to subscribe, guys. So, big up on the bumble class.